All right, it's raw and uncut, back in black, backcountry.
There she is, stealth black, looking good. Beige bumpers, beige bead lockers. Back in black, fellas. There she is coming out of the box. Coming out the crate. That's what she looks like, guys. All right, the crate walls are down. That's exactly what it looks like before the techs touch it. Pretty neat, eh, guys? Exclusive behind the scenes look here, fellas. 2026 Can-Am Outlander Backcountry Max 1000R Stealth Black. That is awesome. That is awesome. I'm not sure how this is going to look on camera, but that's like almost like a gold fleck in that paint or something. It's black, guys. The backcountry looks awesome. I don't know, I think that front bumper looks sick, man. I really like the color. I also really like the color of the bead locks. I like the color of the Outlander sticker. Oh, it looks great. Run the operation?
Yes, sir.
Nice. And then we're gonna light her up. Nice. All right, here we go. Taking her out of the shop, fellas.
Okay, guys, remember to like and subscribe. It really helps us out. And go ahead and leave us a comment. Let us know your favorite part. Let us know if you like the stealth black better than the camo.
What do you think, buddy?
Oh, shit, it's good.
That a lot of fun or what? That thing looks so sick like that, buddy.